interstate here, and I got something a little interesting. A Sarasota Breeze. I found interesting. It's a Sarasota Breeze 2-in-1 desk and clip-on fan. 2-speed adjustable. 6-inch. It's a 6-inch. I forgot to say that. 6-inch. 2-speed adjustable with strong clamps for firm grip, adjustable tilt, and easy assembly. Now I'm gonna set y'all down and do the tape because it's kind of interesting. I don't think I've heard of the company, but I always thought their stuff was kind of rare because you don't see it everywhere. I don't see it at Walmart nor Maxway. So I just thought it was unique. Alright, got the box open. Here's the stand, clip, and the fan. Oh yeah, it is wire driven. I thought it was a cord. But yeah, I'm going to open this. Oh, it came with instructions too. Oh, it's not instructions, it's an owner's manual. That's nice to have. Really nice to have. That's why the assembly is so easy. That's because most of the fan is already put together. And there you got your 2 speeds. Middle is off. Left is low. Right is high. So I'm gonna get this part here together and I'll be with y'all once I get that done. Alright, y'all. Since most of the fan is partly put together, of course that clips on there. But this here, it was like, here's a nut that you gotta unscrew. And then you gotta line up the holes correctly. That's when you put this like little rod through it. And then put the nail in and screw the rod the rest of the way. Which is exactly what I did here. Now I'm going to plug it up and I'm going to show you all the speeds. Alright, don't mind the phones. There's low. And that's high. But yeah, you would think that something, a base this big would have like at least some weights in it or something. That's it. That's all that comes in the box. But alright, this was the unboxing and show off of the Sarasota Breeze 2-in-1 desk and clip-on fan, 6-inch. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Share the video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss new video. I upload whenever I can. We are at 461 subscribers. I will see y'all in the next video. 7242 out.